Okay, welcome to this short video on how to use a video, or how to insert a video in the featured gallery instead of a sliding gallery image or a static image in LocalBiz Vortex website builder. So what I'm going to do here is use the demo site here at Local Chiropractic, and on the front end here we've just got the gallery happening, but on a secondary page here, when I open up the About Us page, you will see that it opens to a video which actually auto starts. There we go. The auto start feature is another thing again, but I'm going to show you how to do this. So the way to insert a video into the featured panel is controlled at page level, not at control panel level. And to illustrate that better, I'll just go to the control panel here. Okay, so we've got the featured panel control tab here. We open that up. And there's basically two aspects to this. It's gallery slider category that you choose for whichever category you want the posts to be rotated for. And there's a checkbox down here, use main featured panel image instead of gallery slider. Of course, you'd check that box if you just wanted to show a single static image. But there's nothing on here, you'll notice, for insert video instead of static images. And that's because it's controlled at page level. Now the main thing is, as long as you do not have this box here checked so that a static image shows up, it means that the gallery slider is in effect, and when we invoke the parameters on the actual page editor itself, the video will show up. Okay, so to do that, what I'm going to do is go to Pages, and I'll go to this About Us page and I'll show you what we've done. Okay, so we just open up that page there. Okay, now there's two things happening on the About Us page. We've got the About Us data here, okay, the actual text and the images and so forth and so on, which appear underneath the video. If you'll notice here, we slide down and there it is, all under there. So whatever you put in the actual page editor itself shows up in the main body section itself. Now to control the video, we use something called custom fields. Now if I scroll down here, you can see we've got custom fields here, and we've got one named video. Okay, so if I just click on update here, that'll flash yellow to show that, yeah, that's active now, and that includes the video. Now if I don't have that happening, if I deleted that entirely, and I'm going to delete that in a moment, I'm just going to basically right click here, select all, I'm going to right click again and cut, so it's saved to the clipboard, and now I'm going to delete that custom field, so it's deleted. Okay, now if we go back to the About Us page and we refresh, it will show that the video is missing. Okay, so there we are. We've just refreshed that page, and of course the normal gallery slider has been reintroduced, because we've got the gallery slider in effect. I showed you that in the control panel. The only difference was that we had the custom field setting to include a video, and as soon as you do that, it overrides the setting for the static images, or the static sliding images on the gallery slider. So just to give that more perspective, let's go back and put it back in again. So okay, let's imagine that you haven't got a video in, which we haven't right now. What we're going to do is put enter new, and the spelling here is very important. Okay, it's just V-I-D-E-O, video. You can't call it anything else, all lowercase. And I've got the embed code from my video that I had before. Okay, we'll cover the actual dynamics of that later as far as auto start is concerned. But that's all ready to go. I'm just going to click add custom field. That'll flash yellow. Okay, it's flashed yellow now. I'm going to go back. I'm still on the About Us page. I'm just going to refresh that page, and the video will show up again in place of the sliding gallery. There it is. Okay.
What is chiropractic?
Exactly as it was in the first place. So that's as simple as that, folks. It's pretty easy to insert a video into the sliding gallery instead of the actual sliding gallery images that link to posts or pages. So I hope you've enjoyed this little tutorial. I hope it's been useful to you. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks. Bye now.